up. Not sure what to do. 04 Foxtrot.
That's 04 Foxtrot. Able, just climb, maintain 2,500 and continue in right circuits. The airport office is just about to pick up your instructor so that he can help you. So just go around, climb, maintain at about 2,500 if able. If not, runway 3, you are cleared to land if you'd like to attempt it. The wind 3107 gust 14.
I'm going to attempt to land 04 Foxtrot.
Just for Foxtrot, wind 3106 gust 14. Says your Foxtrot, shut down the plane, exit for the phone vehicles, and great job.
Fantastic job.